Brandon Theesfeld of Fort Worth was charged on June 22nd with murder in connection with the death of his classmate at Ole Miss, Alexandria Kostial. Media reports indicate Kostial was found on June 20th about 20 miles from campus, and she had been shot 8 times. Theesfeld was reportedly arrested at a Memphis gas station with what appeared to be blood on his clothing and a weapon inside his truck. His father, Daniel Theesfeld, told Memphis WMC-TV, "I know my son is innocent, and I would ask everyone to please give him the presumption of innocence until proven otherwise." But loved ones of Kostial claimed on social media Theesfeld had harassed her. This tweet is from a friend who posted a picture of her and Kostial together after her death. A GoFundMe page created to help Kostial's family has raised more than $20,000, surpassing a goal of $10,000. Friends, acquaintances, and complete strangers have shared their condolences on the page.